Use the substitution method to find the simultaneous solution. Whenever you're asked to use the substitution method, the first thing you should do is look at both equations and see if any of the equations is already solved for a particular variable. So if I'm looking at the top equation, I notice it's not solved for any particular variable. But if I look at the bottom equation, I see that it is already solved for y. So this is a good candidate to plug back into our other equation for y. So what we will do is recopy the equation over that we are plugging into. So that becomes 3x minus 4. And instead of multiplying it by y, we're going to replace y with 2x minus 1. Still equals 9. So again, remember you looked at the bottom equation and you want to substitute it in for y in the top equation. So 3x minus 4 times y equals 9 now becomes 3x minus 4 times the quantity of 2x minus 1 equals 9. So once you've substituted the 2x minus 1 into the top equation, you'll notice that it is an equation in one variable. So if we want to solve the equation in one variable, we will get rid of parentheses by using the distributive property. So our equation becomes 3x minus 8x plus 4 equals 9. We will then combine like terms. So 3x minus 8x is negative 5x plus 4 equals 9. And then we'll move the 4 over to the right-hand side by subtracting 4 on both sides. So that will leave us with negative 5x equals 5. And to solve for x, we will divide both sides by negative 5 to get x equals negative 1. Now, once you have the value of x, the next thing you have to do is find the value of y by substituting it into either one of the original equations. You want to look at this a little more carefully. It might be a little easier to substitute x into the top equation because it's already solved for y. So let's do that. So we will get y equals 2 times x. So x was equal to negative 1 minus 1. Computing 2 times negative 1, we will get negative 2 minus 1. And that will leave us with negative 3. So the simultaneous solution always write it as an ordered pair. The solution will be negative 1, comma, negative 3. And that is the solution to our system.